Now let's talk about universal functions. So it's a fancy name, you can say universal functions, but the operation is very, very simple. It's just like, it's just a kid game, you can say. Let's try to create a matrix here. Everything is straightforward here. You don't need to put pressure to your mind to understand, just like how we do addition, multiplication. Only thing is that since we are dealing with a matrix, we need to understand how it is going to add the value. So here I am saying mat1, this is our mat1 matrix, this is the mat2, right? Mat1 and mat2. I am saying mat1 plus mat2. So what it does, it will take this element. So what is the position of this 7? 0, 0. Why? Because this is 0th index row wise and 0th index column wise. Same spot, same position will be picked. So 7 plus 8. Then 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Then 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. Similarly, 5 plus 6 here. 8 plus 6 over here. 3 plus 1 over here. And so on and so forth. That is what the addition does. And same thing goes for a multiplication. Just as the sign is changed. Otherwise, according to the position, it is going to multiply. For sure, there are situations where we come across where matrix size will not be the same. Here we have 3 rows, 3 columns. Here also we have 3 rows, 3 columns. The operation is very simple. Pretty straightforward. What if I have a 4 rows, 5 columns here and 3 rows, 2 columns here, right? So that also we'll discuss. So let's execute this and look into the result. Right, as you can see, 7 plus 8, 2 plus 2 and 7 plus 5, right? Similarly, these are the results. Now, pretty straightforward. Same thing goes for multiplication, right? So 8 into 7, 2 into 2, right? 7 into 5. Now, same thing goes for other cells, right? Which is very straightforward. Let's print our original matrix here, mat1 and mat2. And we have many more functions, right? Not only addition, subtraction, there are square root, square, there are many things that we can see. I will show you what are all those. So let's look into this mat1 divided by mat2, division. 7 divided by 8 will be placed here, and 2 divided by 2 will be placed here. 7 divided by 5 will be placed here. The result will be placed at the respective position. So that is also one of the things you can do. And also you can play around with this data. So here I am saying 3 into mat1, right? So this is our mat1. So I'm just going to multiply with 3. So the result will be 7 into 3, 3 into 2, 7 into 3 again, 5 into 3, 8 into 3, 3 into 3. Similarly for 712. And what about a mat2? 2 into mat2. I will get one more matrix here after multiplying with this 2. Then I will take this data. This is a mat1. Say 3 into mat1 minus this data, 2 into mat2. How simple it is, right? So let's execute this. You can, I will not get into the calculation part. So you can obviously do using a calculator, or if you're able to do just like that, you can do it and you will get the same result, because you can see 2 by 2 is 1, and 7 by 8 is this much, things like this is basically this division. And this is 3 multiplied, 3 is multiplied to mat1, and the resultant of this 2 into mat2 deducted or subtracted from mat1. The result is like this. You can always do the calculation, right, to understand better.